DDB are very much a key client of ours at JFK Automation, and we do certainly attribute a lot of that relationship to the success of Savant. When we introduced Savant, the Savant control system to the client, we became someone different. They were used to using a very much stereotypical commercial integrator with the associated high costs. We introduced something different to them. We've been very successful with that, and we now have a lot of confidence in our ongoing relationship with the client.
So yeah, a boardroom of this nature that, where we hold, not only internal meetings but client meetings and pitch work, it's extremely important that they work, 100% of the time. We're a media company, TV, radio, print. So basically that technology has really got to work when you're pitching. So we're happy with the system now. We've had nowhere near the sort of issues that we used to experience, and we are building the confidence up with our managers and users that they've got a solid system.
The choice of Savant was fairly easy. The ability to use an interface that people are familiar with in the Apple range of products, in particular the iPad. But also Savant gives us the flexibility to actually change what that user interface looks like with very few limitations, which really allows us to get creative and give the client exactly what they need.
So we found our previous system required IT to be always on board, to always set up. It was complicated, and what we wanted to aim with our new system was that users could come in and just set up the rooms by themselves.
It was almost beautiful to see from my perspective, because it was so obvious how we could improve things for them. They know what they want to do. How we're going to make it as obvious as possible on how they're going to do it. With the flexibility of Savant, we're able to design that UI to reflect that.
One of the things that did help with the ease of use for our end users was, it's on iPads, which everyone's familiar with. It's all touch-based, or touchscreen obviously. The app is really simple to use.
Again, when you look at a user, you've always got to look at the technophobe in the company that comes in and doesn't want to even go near the touchscreen for fear of breaking it. If we then show them an iPad, something that they've got familiarity with anyway, then they're going to approach it thinking that they've got a chance of actually doing what they want to do.
Since the installation of the Savant system, they're confident to come in and set up rooms by themselves.
From our perspective, we need to know that it's going to be reliable, that it's going to be serviceable in the future, it's going to be supported. When it comes to Savant, we've always been impressed with the engineering side of things. They always built their product to be one of the most reliable premium products, built to last. So we've seen their manufacturing process. We understand that they've gone for that end of the market, so that gives us confidence.
They had kind of a meeting in here not long after it was installed, and we weren't even contacted, and we hadn't shown them the system yet. They kind of just came in and started using it, which was really fantastic, and we relayed that back to JFK and now Savant. Yeah.
Ovation have taken over the distribution of Savant in the last year, so we've been working with them specifically for this project for quite a few months, and have had the backup support of their technicians along the way.